Whenever we breathe, every time you kiss me, don't say that you miss me, just come get me. Don't know why, just know I want to.
Hey little mamas, welcome back to another video. For those that are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. So as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be my Sunday reset routine. I have a little bit of self-care, a little hair care in this video, just a little bit of everything. So if y'all are interested in seeing this video, make sure to keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is just focusing on just cleaning up my house because my house is a hot mess. So on Sundays, I like to kind of just refresh and just clean my house and do the things that need to be done. I actually got this cute little lamp from Target. I think it was like $9. It is so super cute, so I decided to go ahead and set this up in my kitchen. So I'm just going to go ahead and just do the things that need to be done around my house. And yeah, this is what we're going to start off with first.
Every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them turn the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, just blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty.
Okay, so I'm just going to take out my hair because I am actually going to wash it when I get in the shower. And yeah, I'm going to show you the products I'm going to be using in the next couple of clips. And I have been obsessed with listening to Beyonce's new album, y'all. Like, what's your favorite song? Because mine is, I have like 3 or 4, but this is like one of my favorites, Heated. Girl, that's my song. So yeah, I'm gonna be listening to my little tunes, and then I'm just gonna do basically just some self-care. I have my face mask, and then you're all gonna see me get in the shower and all of that. So yeah, just keep on watching.
And it ain't no now. Get your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I try to keep from losing wasting me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. Said I'm gonna be a nuisance, this is urgent. Tryna make sense of those change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go.
Hey little mamas, it's a little bit later, so I just got back from Target. Y'all see me go to the Target drive up. Girl, I'm tired. And I ain't even really did nothing, so I don't know why I'm tired, but I just want to show y'all a couple of things that I got, just in case y'all are interested in like trying out anything that I got in my little grocery. I didn't get a lot of grocery, y'all, because I just needed just a couple of things. So I actually got these cookies right here. These are so good, top tier. If you have not tried these, you need to try them out. These are gluten-free, dairy-free, plant-based, peanut, tree nut-free, and it just tastes so good. So I usually get the chocolate chip ones, but they didn't have it, so I got the fudge brownie ones. And these are good too. They're just not as good as the chocolate ones. Like the chocolate chips, top tier, okay? And I love chocolate chip cookies with not a lot of chocolate chips in it. So yeah, that cookie does not have a lot of that in there, so that's why I really like those. So I got that. And then Target salads, their ready-to-make salads are so good. So my favorite one is the avocado ranch, y'all. You need to try this out, okay? Try this out, it's so good. And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, okay. So I got a lot more stuff, but I'm not gonna show y'all because I don't think y'all really care. But I just want to show y'all these little items because I think they're so good. So these are the crispy green beans from the Bird's Eye brand. Baby, go to, okay? Go to. Every time I go to Target, I gotta re-up. So I'm about to put all this stuff up. And yeah, I think this is the end of this video. I think this is the end, depending on how long the video is, because I want it to be at least 10 minutes. But yeah, so I think this is the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed my little self-care Sunday reset routine. So yeah, girl, if you're not subscribed and you watch all the way to the end, do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I will catch y'all in my next video.